somewhere, didn't they?
Yeah. What was that noise?
What noise?
A cat and the dog.
There you go, it's the cat and the dog, wasn't it?
Was it Crystal dog?
I don't know. I don't know. You ready? You want to listen to me?
Yeah.
What are these?
Potatoes.
Right. Hello everyone, and welcome back again. So today we're going to be doing the single seed potato. There's my one and there's Bobby's one. If you don't already know, Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers hosts the single seed potato challenge every year, and each person gets sent a single seed potato, and the objective is to try and get the most from a single seed potato. So
Look.
This year
Look
Bobby is also entering. What is it? It's okay. This year Bobby is also entering, so it's going to be interesting to see how he gets along. Yeah, I'm excited to do it. Grow lots of potatoes.
Yeah.
Good job. So we've got a potato each. We've got the rolls. I'll pop a picture of these up on the screen so you can have a quick read through them. But same as last year, supply a video of planting a potato, do some updates, and a video of harvesting the potato by the 31st of October without revealing the weights. Film everything in landscape mode, which we do anyway. And there's going to be 4 prizes. £10 Amazon gift card for the heaviest yield, £10 Amazon gift card for the heaviest single potato, that's thanks to Robert Makin, £10 gift card for the heaviest yield for a child, and a Bug Hotel for the heaviest single potato grown by a child. So hopefully, if I don't, Bobby wins. There's also a little thing for Bobby to fill in here. We've got to name the potato. What do you want to call it? What are you going to call yours?
Hunter.
Hunter.
Was that Crystal?
That was Crystal.
I'm going to call mine Hunter.
You can't call it Hunter, that's what the cat's called. Go on, Crystal, out. What are you going to call it?
And it will start with a D.
Well, Daddy's going to call his Bodger. Bodger the Badger, because he loves mashed potatoes. What are you going to call yours?
Bodger Bastard, because he likes potatoes.
Right, well, you can have a think what you want to call yours and we'll decide. It's a little picture for him to colour in, dates, so that's right when we planted it and when it started to come up out the soil, and how was the biggest potato. We've got to fill all this in, we'll have a look at that later, me and you, yeah?
I'm going to make mine
on the back
Ashley.
there is a bit of a chart just so we can keep progress, see how it all goes.
I'm going to name mine the same like yours.
Well, if I call mine Bodger, yours can be Badger. Yeah?
Because he
there
likes...
we go. Bodger and Badger. Yeah? Right then, so first thing we're going to do with these is we're going to cut them up. Usually I'd split mine up into however many eyes we've got. This one, there's not that many coming, or how many chicks are coming. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's all I'm going to do this year is I'm just going to split it into 2 and go from there.
Cut your name first.
I'll do mine quickly.
What are you going to do with it?
Put it straight through there. So I'll just split that into 2. I'll put that there for now.
I'm going to cut mine.
Right, have a look where we're going to do it. We've got to get it in between these.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah, you can do it. Right, turn that way. So, turn that way. Right, in between there. Okay, ready?
Oh,
Good job.
it's not a potato.
It's a potato, yes.
Because it's green in it.
So we've got 2 each. And
Green.
usually, again, I'd leave them on there now, to dry out. Let the surface here dry out a little bit. But we're not going to do that this year. Mainly because when the plant starts to grow, I'll split it again, and we never let that bit dry out, so I don't see the need for it to dry out in these.
Put it in there.
Right, so we've got 2 pots for Bobbi. Yeah. Write Bobbi's name on here.
You know how I do my name?
B-O-B-B-I. We'll put S-S-P-C.
That's not my name.
6. No, but that's what the challenge is. B-O-B-B-I S-S-P-C 26.
S-S-E-I-I.
Single Seed Potato Challenge 2026. Dad. S-S-P-C 26.
I put them in here.
Oh, we need to put a bit of compost in there first. Right, so we've got the pots. Yeah, we've got the pots, we've got potatoes. And we need compost. Wait a minute, Dad, I'll move this out now. Watch your fingers. Right, so those 2 Dad's. We'll do Bobbi's 2 first, yeah? So put some compost in there. This is just clover, pot and bedding compost. Get it in the pot, Mick.
Why is clover?
That's what the compost is called, right? Wait, now you need to put the potato in now. Put it with these bits facing up, okay?
I saved it.
Good job. So put it in like that, yeah? Pointing up, like that. Right, no. Right, now fill the rest of that with compost now. No, fill the rest of that with compost. Yeah, fill it all the way to the top. Good job. Right, is that one done?
Where's the potato?
Oh, we buried it, and it'll grow. So we'll put that there. Now fill this pot with compost first. Still doing that, Dad, do his.
Gonna do it really fast.
And then put this part pointing up. And then I'll put some more. Oh, that's enough. Put your potato in. Oh, where are the chips? That bit pointing up. Now fill it with compost.
I buried mine.
Yeah. One for Dad, one for Bobbi. Good job. All done.
Now you can do yours.
Now Dad do his.
Oh, I have 3.
No, that's Dad's.
Oh, these 2 are mine. So, can I help?
Yeah, shout Dad for that. Good boy. There we go. One more. There we go. Jobs are good in.
But
So, we've got 2 each, yeah? And when these grow, we'll check on them and we'll try and cut them in half again and see if we can get 4. Yeah? Right then guys, that's going to be it for mine and Bobbi's entry for the single seed potato challenge. Please do remember to hit that subscribe button and follow along if you're interested in to see how we get along. Over the years, we've had some absolutely brilliant results with the single seed potato challenge. Probably getting more yields from the single potato than what we do when we buy a whole pack of seed potatoes. So it does amaze me every year, and it is really fun to take part and have a go. So that's going to be it from us today. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Right, leave them up here now. We'll put these up here in their own little tray. We can find room on Daddy's new heated bench.
I'll do mine too.
Yeah, you want to pass it to Dad? Dad, put it up there.
But I want to do this one.
Okay, you. Dad, move the chair. Right, you get up there and put your one up there. Go on, you put it there. There we go.
Yes.
Good job. High five. Good job, Bob. Look, it's nice and wet now. You have to drink.